Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a first of its kind. I'm gonna be doing a review slash lip swatches of a set of lipsticks that I purchased from Nykaa. Now to give you a backstory, I posted this one video which was titled lipsticks under ₹100 and a lot of you guys wanted me to post this video because the lipstick, like one of the lipsticks that I showed you in that video, was for like 18 bucks and everyone was up for me like kind of reviewing these lipsticks. So here I am reviewing them. So yeah, I think let's just get started with today's video. Right now, this is what they look like. They come in this cardboard box and there are a total of 12 lipsticks. Now when I got this, the entire thing retailed for 220 rupees, which means that each lipstick retails for ₹18. But say there isn't a sale on Nykaa, this entire thing retails for 400 rupees, which is less than like the average cost of one lipstick, let alone like 12. So if you were to buy this at its MRP, each lipstick would cost you 33 rupees, which is not bad at all. So here I am reviewing this. Now when you open this, you can see that there are 4 rows. There are 4 rows. So there is like a row of oranges, there's a row of reds, pinks and nudish browns. Okay, so you have like kind of like a variety and each row has like 3. So there are 3 pinks and the 3 pinks are actually quite different from each other, so you do have a lot of variety. When I got this initially, I thought it was just going to be like a bunch of similar shades, but it's really not. There are like a lot of variety. Let's be real, you don't really need 12 lipsticks. If you're able to get even one friend to like chip in and like divide the cost of this, these lipsticks are gonna cost you like 9 rupees per lipstick. You know what I mean? So it's just such a good deal. Enough gushing about these lipsticks, let's talk about them. So this is what they look like. It's like a very basic plastic sort of a packaging. When you look at them, they do look very cheap and very flimsy, but I would say it's a good packaging. I mean, it's not bad. The lid kind of clasps on pretty tight. It's not loose. It's very basic and it smells like, I said this in the previous video as well, it smells like one of those lipsticks that like our moms would use when we were little. It's like a very typical lipstick sort of a smell. The pigmentation is great as well. You don't have to like go over like your lips multiple number of times. Like the first time you swatch it on your lips or on the back of your hand, it shows up, which is I think quite commendable. The price is definitely the best part about this lipstick, but talking about the durability, it's not the best. I'm gonna be real. I think it lasts for like an hour max, but it's for 18 bucks or 33 bucks depending on how much you buy it for. So I mean, you can carry it around and just like reapply it. It's really not that big of a deal. I don't really understand like the concept of like durability. You can always just reapply it, and when it's that cheap, I don't mind doing that at all. I think that's really about it. That's all I can really say about these lipsticks. If you want to hear like a yes or a no from my side, I would definitely say go ahead. If you're young, if you're in college and you've just started buying makeup, I think it's like a really nice thing to have. It has a lot of shades, so you'll have a lot of variation for college. You can wear like the nudes for like an everyday basis or like the pinks, and for like special occasions you have some like reds, and if you're feeling like quirky, you can wear the orange. You know what I mean? There's a lot of variation, so I would say go for it. It's very, very cheap. Try it out for yourself. I think now let's move on to the lip swatches, and I think that's when you can really decide for yourself if you want to buy this. And yeah, that's it for today's video. A very different one, but I hope it was useful in any way. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post a new video. Follow me on my Instagram and follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.